come from Jamaica.
You ready to learn Jamaican?
Yes!
Alright, you seem very excited. So we're gonna kick it off with, so first you gotta know Jamaican, right? In Jamaica we speak Patwah, okay? What we speak?
Patwah.
Patwah, okay? So Patwah is basically broken English, okay? It's what? Broken English. Alright, so we're gonna kick it off by saying the first one. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Say that again.
Wagwan.
Say it. Wagwan YouTube family. So basically what that is saying is what's up? How are you? Okay? The next one, the next thing we're gonna talk about now is your facing. Right?
So your face.
No, say your facing.
You're fancy.
No, not your fancy. You're too facey.
You too fancy.
No, you're too facey.
You too fancy.
Facey.
Fancy.
So basically, when they say you're too facey, that means you're too rude. Okay? When they say you're too facey, like you're too facey, man. Right? You're too rude. Okay? When somebody saying Jamaica, you're too facey, that means you're too rude. Okay. The next one. Boy, hey boy. Say hey boy.
Hey boy.
No man, talk with Jamaican in your
Hey boy.
So it's just basically the same boy. But he say hey boy. Right? Alright. So you can say into a sentence. Hey boy, you know you may call you from morning. You want to try? Say
Hey boy, you know call you from morning.
hey boy, you know you may call you from morning.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Hey boy, you didn't call me from morning.
So the next one is gal. Hey gal. Now ramp with me now. Say it.
That's daddy's.
Say it. Say it.
Hey yeah, don't rap with me enough.
Yes guys. So you say hey gal. So boy, gal, and wagwan. Okay. So the next one is
You're too facey.
You're too facey. That means facey is the same thing as
Hey yeah.
no, facey mean when somebody say you're facey, what that mean?
That means that you too rude.
When somebody say you're facey, what that mean?
You too rude.
Okay, good. And the other one now, if somebody you want to tell somebody to get away or go away, you say gwe. Say
Gwe!
say gwe.
Gwe!
Gwe and leave me alone.
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 Gwe and leave me alone. Right? So the other one we just say is
Gwe!
gwe, and you gotta come in the camera. So what we just said a while ago?
Gwe!
Gwe, and gwe is the same thing as leave me alone.
No.
Bye, gwe. You're licky. Oh, you're so licky. Let's say it.
Look at this. Somebody give me
Why
this.
you so licky?
You're too licky.
You're so licky.
Look funny, say it. You're too licky. You say it. You're too licky. That means somebody's trying to say you're too greedy. Okay? What that means? Somebody's trying to say you're too greedy. So in Jamaica, you say you're too licky. Go on there. You're too licky. Alright. The other one is yo, may I go a door?
That means you going out.
You're going outside. So in Jamaica we say yo, may I go a door? Say it.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna go door.
Yeah, may I go a door? That means I'm going outside. Say, may I go a door? Say it. Look at that. That means you're what? You're going outside. Okay? Alright. Miracle, what go on?
Madea.
Midday.
Madea. What is that?
Midday, I'm here. I'm here. In English, it means I'm here. So Miracle, what go on?
I'm here.
No. You're going to say midday.
Oh.
Alright, so come again. Miracle, what go on?
I'm there.
No, midday.
Medaya.
Come again.
know that.
No, you learn it. Miracle, what go on?
I'm Medea.
Medea. So everybody good?
Everybody good?
On a good out there, man. Make sure you like, talk to them in a Jamaica.
Make sure you like
Make
it
sure
now.
you like and share the thing. talk in a Jamaica.
Wagwan.
Make sure to hit the like button.
Yeah, do ya.
What you do, yeah? That mean, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Alright, the next one, it said, look here in English, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look here, like, Britannia, look here. But in Jamaica, you say, look here. Like in English, you say, Britannia, look here. But in Jamaica, you say, look here.
Like,
Say, look here.
look here.
No, that's like English. In Jamaica. So
not-
speak Patwah. Say, look here.
Look here.
Look here. That means look here. Come back here, so. Yeah?
Like if somebody run away, you say,
Come back here,
yes,
so.
sir.
Come back here,
Yes,
sit
sir.
down here, so. Come back, come sit down here, so. Oh, what are we the girl pretty? Oh, what are we the girl pretty? Eh?
What the way the guy pity?
Right? What are we the girl pretty? Right?
I know 5 words.
You know 5 words. You know 5 words in Jamaica?
Yeah.
In Patwah? You know 5 words?
Yes.
Okay, what the 5 words do you know?
I know a gal.
Oh, you know a girl? Oh, okay. She know a girl.
I know pretty gal.
Pretty girl, you're pretty. She know pretty girl too.
I know wagwan.
Wagwan. What you mean? But when they say wagwan, what that mean?
That mean hi.
Okay, like how are you? Wagwan, eh?
I know
Right.
wagwan, and
Yeah.
I know pretty yeah, I know I know
You stuck?
oh yeah.
You remember?
Yeah, I know
You
that.
remember?
I know that.
Or I can say you don't remember. But me that say that Jamaica, you don't remember. You don't remember.
And I know
Go man. You say go?
Gwe, yeah.
Go.
I know 5 words Jamaica, I told you.
So say them again.
I know pretty gal. I know
Pretty gal.
Gwe.
Gwe.
I know
Wagwan.
wagwan.
Wagwan Rasta.
And I know
Muma.
mum.
I just did a short tutorial of teaching my daughter some Jamaican Patois. So guys, if you do like what you see, always remember to
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell, the notification bell.
Okay guys, so once you hit the notification bell,
You'll be the first one to see the video. Peace.